Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to do a flip through of my Wizard of Oz journal. I finally finished it. It's a nice big chunky journal. It's going to be my journal for the new year. I love the Wizard of Oz. I read the book and of course I love the movie. And you saw me put together the cover and add in my signatures, and now I'm going to show you how I decorated them. Without further ado, let's get started. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed making it. I've got a lot of writing space. It was a lot of fun to make, and it'll keep me busy next year. This will be my New Year's journal. Well, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.